Here I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, scroll down a bit, go to the About Phone section, then go to the version, and here you have to find a line build number and tap on it with the finger several times until you get the message. You are now in developer mode. And now you can find these developer options here at the additional settings, and here they are, our developer options. This is our super useful and super cool developer options. Get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable developer options here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.